All right, hope everyone had a good weekend. I did not record my trades live today, so we're just going to go over them real quickly. I took a handful of trades. Part of me thought I was kind of over trading, but I remained pretty calm. My emotions were perfect all morning, taking losses, taking break-even trades, changing my opinion on where the market was going. I just felt really in sync with it, even if some of my trades weren't winners. But I felt pretty good about it, so I just kept going and ended up hitting my rough profit goal. I don't have like a hard profit goal, but I want to take around 20 to 40-ish points out of the market every day, and we did end up in profit, a little over 30, I believe. So this was pre-market. I had buy side marked out up here at the top, and this line down here is the low of a daily fair value gap. And then this rectangle is the new day opening gap between Friday and today. We had this move down this earlier this morning, consolidation before market open, and as we moved up near the new day opening gap, we did have some rejection off of it, and right around the 50 level between like all this move down. I consider this all displacement, even though we do have some green candles in there. So I jumped in on a short right there, and to just go over these. So we shorted on the rejection there. We quickly displaced up through it, and I noticed, we're going towards buy side liquidity. So I got out. We took a loss there for about 30 points. Since we were heading towards that buy side liquidity, I got in on a long because we displaced through this new day opening gap, and then took my profits up here, taking out the buy side liquidity. Then we had after we took out the liquidity, we had displacement down, a small fair value gap. I took a short there. I didn't wait for the retest. I just got in. We had this quick move up, so I was just thinking that we'd have a quick move down and targeting way down here. So I shorted at 404, and we just held through all this. We were in 30-ish points of profit there. Could have just taken that and gotten back. Probably could have stopped there. However, I was really aiming for like 100 points. I was getting a little greedy with that one. But it wasn't because I was affected by like a losing trade or anything. I was just really thinking we were going to head down there, so I was going to hold for it. So I held from this one. We sold at 404 and just held through all of this, and ended up exiting break even, noticing that we came down, tapped the new day opening gap inside of a bullish fair value gap where we have a low, high, lower, low displacement. So got out and kind of reversed, got back in with 2 contracts there, and then added to it when I noticed this other fair value gap forming, targeting buy side liquidity from this high back over here. So got a few points out of that. I don't know what my average entry was, but we bought 2 at 414 and 419. So average entry was probably like 417 maybe. And then we got out at 432 after buy side liquidity was taken up at this high. After that, we have the rejection, and we are continuing to move up. So I bought again, thinking that we were going to target this high right here on the 5-minute from way back, wherever that was, Friday afternoon. So bought at 434, targeting 460s. Didn't happen. We just swept the highs a little bit with rejection, so that's a liquidity run in my book. Got out of that for a loss. Then we created a 1-minute fair value gap. So after taking it, we have a high, a low, higher high displacement, fair value gap. Took 4 on a short right there, and then rode that bad boy down to from 412 to 376 through the new day opening gap. Again, I was targeting lower. We didn't go much lower after that. And now we are right here working our way back up. So I'm going to stop there. Pretty decent day if you ask me. I don't like trading that much, but I felt really good about it. I wasn't no negative emotions whatsoever, no positive emotions. Really, it was just I'm just trading, reading the market, adjusting based on conditions, based on how it's reacting at the highs and the lows, at the gaps, all that stuff, and just using my best judgment from there. So that's that. I was really aiming on that short for the daily fair value gap low, and then this sell side liquidity that I have marked out from a 1 hour. Looks like we took out these equal lows on the 1 hour, and now we're moving back up. So I don't know, who knows where we're going, but I really liked this trading like this, just flowing with the market. You lose some, you win some, you break even on some, but with good risk management, you'll come out on top. And we did. We are up 248.50 with, I was trading 4 micro NASDAQs on my AMP account. So this is a real account and just trading micros for the time being, max 4, and ending plus 248 on the day. I don't think this includes commissions. So I believe AMP calculates commissions at the end of the day. So our actual profit will be a little less than this, but I'm happy with it. I feel good about it. A great start to the week. Let me know how you guys did today, and be careful the rest of today and tomorrow. I believe Wednesday is FOMC, and we just got to be careful and use good risk management and good decisions, and you'll be all right. So talk to you guys later.